Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna talk to you about five topics, very fast topics that I have in my mind, and I've been waiting for the proper time to do it, and today it is the day. First of all, I want to say thank you for the 13,000 subscribers that the channel already reached. It's 13,100 and something by now, but it's only now that I have the possibility to record this video, and I don't live looking at the YouTube stats to know when I reach the 13,000, so at least I know I have that goal and it is reached, and let's do another 13,000 or 20,000 or 50,000, it doesn't matter. I want to say thank you to all of you that press the subscribe button, and I want to say to the other 90% of people that watch the channel, please subscribe or even give the thumbs up to the videos, which is very important to give the likes to the videos because of the YouTube algorithm, to help the channel grow the best way possible. The second topic I'm going to talk to you, it's for some people that maybe can help me. I'm going to participate in an event in Portugal which is called Portugal end-to-end. Basically it's 5 days from going from one end to Portugal to the other end of Portugal, but I'm having difficulties finding a place to sleep in two cities, which is Chaves up in the north and a branch in the center. And if you have anyone in my country, and if you know anyone that lives near these locations and they have a spare room, let me know in my email, which will be down in the description, which I'm gonna leave it here, which is geral@SpitfirePT.pt, and I need for Chaves, it's 1 to 3 of June, and Advertise is the night for 4 to 5 of June. So it's those days that I need just a place to crash, around 20 euros, something very cheap, a spare room, place in the garage at least where I have a bed, so I can properly rest my body. So this is very important, and I know this is the English version, but at least I have to try to find, because I'm having difficulties finding a place to sleep in these locations. Another subject, I'm gonna open the reviews of motorcycles from the subscribers. So if you live in Portugal, near my area, of course, like Lisbon, Sintra, somewhere around these areas, and if you have a motorcycle that I do not have a review on my channel, please again use my email to contact me and let me know, and I will do the recording with all the things that it takes. And what I'm saying, all the things, it's especially time, okay? Because if you are willing to let me record your motorcycle, this is a process, at least it takes me 2 hours to 3 hours to record the videos, because as you know, I do the videos in Portuguese and I do the videos in English, and I do a lot of angles, so I do need time. So it's something that you guys have to take in consideration. If you want to have your motorcycle, you have to count with 2 hours where you can be side by side with me, no problems. You can even enter in the video if you want, or you can stay on the coffee, on a restaurant, having a coffee or whatever, while I do what I have to do. So if you, like I said, if you know anyone in my country, in my area, contact me and I will gladly record the motorcycle if I don't have that model already on my videos. Because I have lots of requests for motorcycles that are no longer available for test drives on the manufacturers, but I know a lot of you have them on the road and maybe want a review of them. Another topic, which is again a big thank you to all of you. It's for the people that buy material with the links that I have in the description, which are from my partners, and I do appreciate the confidence that you guys have to use my links. Especially CarTrack, which is the GPS tracker for the motorcycles, and I already sold a bunch of them, and I want to know from you down in the description if the service is working, if it is not working, what you like, what you don't like, so I can report to my partners and see if the service can improve in somehow. Personally, I think it is good, and personally one thing that I would like to have improved is have the notifications via SMS on the phone instead of email. That's basically the main thing that I would like to change. Another thing, I already sold again in the affiliate link, one Insta360, one X2, which is nice, and with all these products that you've guys been buying, I have a little extra cash, so I can do my reviews properly, so I can pay for the gas, I can pay for material that I use to improve the channel, and as you can see, I'm trying to improve the channel, the look of the channel, and this is all for you, and thank you for all of that and making it possible. Having said this, guys, please don't forget, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, follow my other networks, leave your comments down below. I'm running out of fingers. Just kidding. And I really hope I can see you in the next one. Bye.